Think Barre is just graceful stretching. This powerful workout is actually a secret weapon for fighting chronic pain, and here's why. Many dismiss Barre as a lightweight exercise, but science tells a different story. When participants engage in regular Barre sessions, their cardiovascular endurance improves by up to 25% within just 8 weeks. The continuous controlled movements in Barre maintain an elevated heart rate, similar to moderate intensity cardio workouts. This sustained cardiovascular activity triggers the release of natural pain-fighting compounds in your body, helping reduce chronic pain symptoms. Studies show that Barre's unique combination of isometric holds and small, precise movements creates a perfect storm for boosting heart health while strengthening, stabilizing muscles. The result? Better blood flow, reduced inflammation, and decreased pain levels, all while performing elegant, ballet-inspired movements. Ready to give Barre a shot? Drop A if you've ever tried this powerful workout, or share what surprised you most about its benefits.